Stop wasting time on manual entries. Learn this simple Excel drop-down trick and make your workflow faster and smarter in seconds. Try it now. Select the cells under Type column. Go to Data. Click Data Validation. Choose List under Allow, then input Internal, External in Source box. Click OK. Now move to the second worksheet where we have our categories under Internal and External. Select the internal categories data range, press Ctrl+T. Check. My table has headers. Click OK. Do the same for external. Then we select them. Go to Table Setting and rename. Name the table as Internal. Do the same for external categories data range and name the table as External. Go back to main worksheet. Select the cells under Category column. Go to Data. Click Data Validation. Choose List under Allow. Then input formula equals indirect. Then we select our first cell under Type, which is A3. In Source box, press F4 to remove $. Click OK. Now when you select Type, Category will auto-update accordingly. That's it.